Hello, what's up guys? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Shikha. In today's video, I have something very special. The video is all about what Lalisa from Blackpink uploaded an embroidery work on her Instagram account. After seeing that, I also get inspired by her and I decided to replicate her embroidery design. First of all, here I am using my iPad to copy the exact design. And it's so simple. Anyone can make it, and I think I am the biggest blink, so I have to try this. What you are gonna need is scissor, needle, embroidery hoop and a fabric. And let's start our embroidery process. I will explain later how I make perfect embroidery floss. Started embroidery, and we always start embroidering by going from the inside to the outside, so our little thread excess is going to face in the inside and not to the outside of our fabric. In the whole process, we are using two different type of embroidery. First is satin stitch and second is French knot stitch. Your embroidery thread or a floss, you will see that your embroidery floss is very thick, so I recommend is divided into equal as it has 6 threads. You just need to make a set of 3 into 2 pieces. Then we gonna tie a little knot at the end of our floss. Remember that one side of the thread has to be open and one has to be knotted. For the eye of lobster, we are using French knot stitch. If you haven't subscribed my channel yet, there will be so many DIY videos in future. And see you in the next video.